river! Jeff, get over here. Hey! Get this way.
Rope! Grab that rope! Hold on your back! On your back! Get on your back!
Get on your back, Jeff. Take it easy. Your paddle's right there. Out of. Hang on to the rope, Jeff. You okay? Grab his rope. Jeff, I watched you all the way. You never took one stroke. And you only tried one roll. Don't come out of the boat in this river. Now you got a problem. Yeah. But you get the skip diamond splitter. You okay? You're right there at that rock. See right where that person is now. Yeah. You kind of went towards the rock. You were going to try to eddy over there, and the rock looked like the rock's what hit you and knocked you over. You tried one roll, and I said, "Please do it again. Do it again." There his head comes up out of the water. Oh.